Peace. I'm gonna build on today's mathematics real quick. As the Justice Cipher born. Today's supreme mathematics. Wisdom born, all being born in knowledge. All being born back to wisdom. See, when we manifest this knowledge, it's born alive. It shows and proves. It's supposed to show and prove that I walk and talk. That knowledge is light. You know, potentially wise and domes all over the planet Earth. It's that simple. Rushing when we get to this JOB. Let's take it to today's degree in the 1 to 14 real quick. Wisdom degree. Why the Moose have a hard time civilizing the devil in the year 2000 BC. And it's because it was Sabbath. Sabbath means the person who lost knowledge of himself and living in peace life. Moose was the half original man of prophet. 2000 BC means before Christ. In the age that word was in the year 11,000. Civilized means to teach knowledge and wisdom of the human family of the planet Earth. See, we cross the street. It's a deep degree. We draw it up many ways. We like to make these degrees walk and talk, live them out. You gotta help you with your everyday life. And all with your everyday life, then just Muslim letters. We can go into the history of the degrees, the symbolism, all that. But see, Musa had a hard time civilizing. Why do you have a hard time? Get lost in knowledge of himself. When you're dealing with people, every day you deal with people and, trying to teach them stuff, truth, or teach them stuff in general, you have a hard time. Just, especially you trying to teach them truth. They got years, if not decades, of bad habits. They got years, decades, so they go, you in debate and this and that. So you're gonna have a hard time civilizing. Especially those who lost knowledge and stuff. You try to teach them this. That's why it's only 5%. And you got the 85. You're gonna have a hard time. Because they got decades of bad habits. That's why Moose had a hard time civilizing. One of the reasons. The same thing with us in life. That's why the father took it to the babies. One reason, because they ain't had those decades and years of bad habits. They was more receptive of the knowledge. That's why the father took it to the babies. We get into the numbers and degrees, and mathematics don't lie. 2000 BC, 2000 is that wisdom. Those three ciphers that understand that Musa was trying to get them to understand that wisdom and that understanding. That 11,000 BC, that's 11,000. It's that knowledge. Born as that wisdom. Those three ciphers, that understanding. We try to get these savages, these people don't know the truth to understand. That knowledge. On that BC, them trying to born that understanding. Those people, those savages, those people lost knowledge themselves, living the beast life, trying to born that understanding now. Let me head to the Justice Cipher. Peace.